Welcome to my course on Salesforce Lightning Components development. Before I speak anything, let us witness what is the final product, the final project that we will have finished by the completion of this course tutorial. This is the Salesforce Lightning UI, where we have a marketing app. In that we have one custom Lightning tab, dynamic search app. So this is one final component we will have finished by the completion of the course. Here we enter our search words and it dynamically searches for the accounts. And this is our standalone app. Same component. Then let's see in our Lightning page or record page. This is an account page where we have our component here. Enter to search. So this is the way we have surfaced our component in a Lightning page. Then Salesforce 1. This is the Salesforce 1 simulator. We have our final project, a Salesforce 1 navigation menu item. Well, and this is Lightning component in Visualforce page. We have a custom Visualforce page here. The left side we have the logic from a standard controller, and right side we have a Lightning component. So the answer to your question, what will I get out of this course, is confidently you can start developing the Salesforce Lightning components. And about myself, I am Syou, a corporate trainer having corporate training delivery experience more than a decade, and I have clientele more than 76 countries. To achieve that final product, we need to have our course goals. They are: I need to distinguish between Lightning app and Lightning component, then the component bundle, the bundle of component resources. Using the static resources in the components, composition of the components. Here the key is composition is decomposition and nested components. Attributes, expressions, and the value providers. Global IDs, local IDs, then global variables like static resources, label. How to surface the components to the app, the Lightning experience app, as well as the page, Salesforce 1 navigation menu, as well as Visualforce. Because Lightning components is event-driven programming model, we need to understand more about the events, the standard events, the system events. More focus to be put on custom events. Along with live demo, we will be seeing what are the two types of events: component events, application events, along with live demo. How to enable Apex methods ready for the Lightning components using @RI enabled annotation. Then debugging our code with JavaScript console as well as the installed Salesforce Lightning Inspector. To achieve these goals, we have developed some components, and each concept we have used easy to understand case studies. So each concept is nothing but a mini project. So the mini projects that we have developed to achieve these course goals are this much. For example, to know what is the Lightning app and Lightning component, the differences. So these are the components we have developed. Component events, application events. The cool thing is that I have attached the source code of the entire course in the resources section, which you can download. As complimentary, I am also going to give the discounts for my other courses. I wish you all the best to the journey of Salesforce Lightning. Why late? Let's meet in the tutorial.